In this video, I will show you how to turn this Rico Animations character into a big head cartoon using Moho Pro for this tutorial. Watch the video to the end. I will teach you everything step by step how to create this animation. This Rico character can be used in Flipperclip and Moho. If you want to use this Rico character in your animation project, you can purchase the project file of this character. It's a great way to support me on this channel. Use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video to purchase and download this Rico character project file. Your support helps me create more animation content for this channel. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and follow this page so you don't miss out on our new videos. So first thing first is for you to open your photo. Moho software. If you want to get the Moho Pro software I'm using, comment I'm interested. I will send it to you. Now let's continue making the video. Guys, the first thing for you to do is to go to click on file, okay, then click on import. So now we have to import our Rico character. So this is the project file of our Rico character. I will select it and I will click on open, then mark this thing and then press no, then select your Rico character from this list and press OK. Automatically the character has been imported. See it here. So you need to stage the character. So when I mean staging, I mean making the character to be in the center of the screen so that your audience will stay focused to that character. You can see now my character is already in the center of the screen. So that is the first step of the animation. So what we are doing in this animation is we are trying to exaggerate the head. Okay, so the first animation principle like we are going to do is exaggeration. Instead of keeping this head normal, I will locate the head layer. You see the layer of my Rishi character. I will move in and then I'll go to head switch. See it here, head switch. Then first of all, I will reset the origin. I will set the origin to be around the neck. Okay, so the origin has been set around the neck and I need to zoom in. So Ctrl+Alt+9 to zoom in. Then the next thing for you to do is for you to do the exaggeration. So instead of us to keep this head in a normal size, I will scale it to make it much bigger. In animation, exaggeration helps us to push an action or a feature beyond real life, so it makes it become more interesting and easy to notice. So the big head we are going to do now is going to create a stronger visual impact and make the character look funny and more expressive. So how do you do the exaggeration? Click on this transform layer, then you will see this red corner, red box. Just click at the corner of the red box and then drag it. Guys, you see the magic. So that is how you do what? Let me zoom out. Okay, you see, so that is how you extend the head of your Rico character. Okay, that is the first steps. Then if you want to do the animation, okay, if you want to do the animation, hold on, you have to time your animation also. So when do you want the animation to happen? Okay, so that you need to time the animation. I say okay, on frame 5, on frame 12 or frame 24, start the animation. So that on frame 24, for now, for example, now maybe here on frame 24, on frame 12, for example, I'll click on reset. I'll reset this keyframe. So you will see this dot added. So that means on frame 12, that is where the animation started. So now let's say on frame 48, I want to do the exaggeration. So I'll exaggerate the thing like this. So that means if you play the video here, the head is not going to move until it enters frame 12. It will start to move. You can see it now. You can see, and you see that for now there is a way it is moving. It is moving at a constant speed. And if you don't want it to move at a constant speed, let's say you want it to move because there is a way it's supposed to move. It's supposed to start gently and then speed up in the middle and then slow down when it reaches the stopping part. So you select this last keyframe. Okay, from this place you will see these interpolation settings. So you set this thing to ease out. Okay, set it to ease out. Then where you started the animation, which is this one, set this one to ease in. Okay, so if you play the video, it will start slowly then increase with time. You see, so guys, that is how you do the animation. And if you want it to return back to its neutral position, you need to calculate how many frames did you do the animation. Let's say now from here 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So that means 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means I will copy this animation, Ctrl C, and then I will paste it here, Ctrl V. That means, you see, it will now return back to its neutral position. You see, guys, you see, now it turn back to its neutral position. I hope you are understanding. So if you want the animation to repeat again, you can just copy the animation and then Ctrl C. Maybe you just copy these two, because maybe just copy these two, and then maybe here you paste it again. That means the animation will repeat. You see, guys, I hope you understand what I did here. You see, it's very, very easy. So you do the exaggeration, do the scaling, and that is how you get the animation. So let us export the video. So the animation stop at frame 144. Before you export, guys, you need to do what? Do your camera tracking. So I will first of all zoom out. I'll also activate show output only, and I'll also add a background. So let me add a white background. So on this layer now, I will select my draw shape and let me add a white background here. So like I said, each time you want to animate something like this, you need to animate the character first of all. So how do you animate character? You need to animate the character from frame 0. So how do you want it to be? Let's say now you want to zoom in. For now, you want to zoom in on this, you want to zoom out, because anything you are seeing on this white box is what you will see if you export the video. So stage your character the way you want it to be. Maybe for now, let me remove my timeline. So I will stage my character now. So if I'm okay with it like this, then maybe on around frame that time the head started coming out, I need to do what? I need to adjust the head so that we will still be seeing the tension. So something like this, and I need to also increase this my background. It seems that it's too small, so I need to increase the background height so that even if I reach here, the thing will not do anything, will not affect the character. See, so here the character gets smaller and the head gets bigger. They can also do what? You can as well as increase this thing like this so that the thing will be showing on the screen. Okay, so maybe here now, I think I'll need to push this thing here and then make the head to be showing on the screen like this, like at least you can see everything on the screen, right? So if you play the video now, I see, and then that time it gets smaller. You can just copy this animation, this keyframe of the camera, and paste it here. So if you play, you see that it is now getting smaller, it's now getting normal, and then that time it becomes bigger again, which is frame 144. You copy this keyframe, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. And I think I need to work on the background again. It keeps on adjusting the way I don't like, so I'll increase it more, something like this. So if you play the video now, everything should be okay now. Oh, I think I still need to work on the background again. So I need to work on the background. You see, now everything is now proper. So if you play the video now, you see it gets bigger. We do the exaggeration, it return back to its neutral position. We do the exaggeration again. You see the timing, it starts slowly and speed up with time. So I added ease in and ease out. All these things is what makes the animation appealing. So if you finish doing your animation, then you want to export, go to file, then click on export animation. So we are going to set the end frame at 144 because that is our end frame. Then we name your project. I will call it head big. Okay, I'll call it big head. Okay, big. I'll call it big head size. I'll press OK. Guys, this is my Moho Pro software I use for creating this animation. It's a premium version. All the features are working for free and they are not showing watermark. So if you want to get this software, just drop a comment saying I'm interested I will send the software to you directly. You see, congratulations to me. My talent is too much. Tell me congratulations in the comment section. Before we continue this video, if you enjoy my content and want to see more tutorials like this, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and follow this page for more tutorials. Please guys, like this video and share it so that more people can see it, because your likes and share will encourage me to create more tutorials for you guys. So that is all about this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. This character can be used in Flipper Clip and Moho. So if you want to use this Rico character in your animation project, you can purchase this project file of this character. It's a great way to support me on this channel. Use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section of this video to purchase and download this Rico character project file. Your support helps me create more animation content on this channel. And if you want to learn how to create your own cartoon characters and start creating viral animation videos with your phone or laptop, I recommend you join my animation class, where I'll teach you the easy way to create your own characters and your own animation videos step by step. Okay, I will teach you how to monetize your animation skills. If you want to join my class, click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel to gain access to my animation class, or just drop a comment saying I'm interested. I will send the link directly to you, or just chat me on WhatsApp with the number showing on the screen. Okay, please like this video and also share it so that other people will learn. I have created over 50 tutorials on this channel, so use the playlist link in the description of this video or on the screen to continue watching the video, and I will see you in my next video.